यार मुझे तूने किसी डायरेक्टर के पास, प्रोड्यूसर के पास क्यों? मेरा कोई काम अच्छा नहीं लगता तुझे?
बच्ची की तरह। जब मैं वापस आती थी बॉम्बे से घर दिल्ली, तो मेरी मम्मी मेरी तरफ देख के बोलती हैं कि बेटा कभी ना घबराना नहीं है, कि अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो घर है। पहले मैं फिजिकली वर्कआउट करती थी, अभी इंटेंशनली वर्कआउट करती हूँ बिकॉज आई नो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ for your mental well-being as well.
Like I have a problem, like most men have a problem. They will not discuss their problems with anybody.
With kids, it's so hard because when they tell you, "Ki mama, if, for example, can I go to the park?" By default, Indian mentality, parents are like, "No." But 21, I'm still trying to I'm still stuck there. No. You just like, yeah, I was like, okay. That's really, yeah. जितनी बार पूछोगे उतनी बार कम होता
रहेगा. Welcome to Unstoppable, the podcast that shines a light on the extraordinary journeys of health, fitness and resilience, all powered by Right Bite Max Protein. मैं हूँ रोहित रॉय. Today we're joined by two phenomenal guests, two very different people, two people I am personally very, very fond of. Now both these women of great substance and great sustenance, both have carved unique paths in their careers while maintaining a steadfast commitment to wellness and self-improvement. इसीलिए ये दोनों यहाँ हैं. Please welcome Rashmeet Kaur and Parul Katkar in the house. Welcome guys. I must tell you I'm very, very excited to have both of you. वैसे तो this is a fitness and mental and physical strength podcast, but we also like to know our guests a little bit so that जो हमारे listeners हैं वो आपसे प्रेरित हो, आपकी कहानियों से, आपकी जर्नी से. आपसे शुरू करते हैं. Music. कब म्यूजिक की तरफ आपका झुकाव बढ़ा? शुरुआती दिन कैसे थे? क्या इन्फ्लुएंसेस थे? एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली, क्या कोई स्ट्रगल थी या यू गॉट इट ऑन अ सिल्वर प्लेटर?
I never got it on a silver platter to start with. And मेरी सबसे बड़ी इन्फ्लुएंस और मेरी सबसे पहली गुरु मेरी माँ है.
ओके.
उन्होंने मुझे घर में सिखाया.
अच्छा.
जब मैं छोटी सी थी, मेरे हाथ भी हारमोनियम तक ना पहुँचता नहीं था टू पंप द बेलोज ऑफ द हारमोनियम.
Oh, that young.
Yeah, she's always been a learner. So I think मेरी माँ से ही मुझे वो मिला है.
सीखना. But वो ट्रेन थी म्यूजिक में?
नहीं, वो ट्रेन चश्मे का हो गया है. सब आंखों में के बाद. चलेंगे. तो मम्मा ने सीखा नहीं है. Nobody is a professional musician in my house. But heredity से है. Later on I realized कि मेरी नानी भी बहुत अच्छा गाती है.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ से आया. Later on, now like few years back. But my mom started learning गुरमत संगीत. Just गुरबानी
म्यूजिक. Yes.
तो गुरबानी म्यूजिक से मेरी शुरुआत हुई. फिर जब हम सीखने जाते थे, एक आंटी से सीखते थे, मम्मा की फ्रेंड, तो वहाँ से जब हारमोनियम सीखने जाते थे तो जो रास्ता था उस दौरान मॉम यूज्ड टू कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप हमिंग दैट ट्यून जो सीखी है, ताकि बच्चे को याद रहे, ताकि मेरे को याद रहे कि तेरी मेमोरी अच्छी है ना तो तू याद रख. एंड देन घर पे जाके फिर रिहर्स करते.
इसके पीछे एक लॉजिक है. हमें क्यों वो पुराने जिंगल्स याद रहते हैं, चाहे वो अमूल का हो या निर्मा का हो. जितना ज्यादा आप सुनोगे उतना आपको याद.
Exactly, it becomes catchy and then when it's catchy then it's just in your head.
Correct.
तो वो मम्मा ने मेरे को रास्ते में कि गाते रहो गाते घर आके प्रैक्टिस करो. वहाँ से मेरी शुरुआत हुई. फिर जो मेरे आसपास के लोग थे then they started.
बहुत early influence था म्यूजिक का आपका.
हाँ जी, like because of my mom.
Okay.
The first credit goes to my mom. And then people around me they always used to say कि आपकी बेटी बहुत अच्छा गाती है. देखो वैसे ही गाती है जैसा गाना है.
प्रोफेशनली कब आपने पहला गाना गाया या पहला शो किया, याद है आपको?
वो अगर कहें तो मैं उसी हफ्ते शब्द सीख के जब मैं गुरुद्वारे गई तो मुझे आंटी ने जब 100 रुपए दिए.
That was your first commercial performance?
That was my not commercial, but that was my first diksha, like daksha. Yeah, like that something like like something to खर्ची. शगुन. Bless you. अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. Because at that time I didn't realize that it's an art. It's an art form. Later on you realize when you grow up. So I think वहाँ से फिर मैंने गुरमत संगीत की ट्रेनिंग लेना शुरू किया. While being in school, studying at the same time.
Nice, yeah.
And then Indian classical सीखा. तो सीखना तो ताउम्र है. So I think I'm still learning. उतना कम है. So then I kept learning. My mom is the one who always used to push me कि चलो अब ये रियलिटी शो में जब इतने सारे लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपका बच्चा अच्छा गाता है.
अच्छा, तो आप रियलिटी शोज में भी गई हैं गाने के लिए?
मैं बहुत सारे रियलिटी शोज में गई.
क्या?
I think Indian Idol was your first?
No.
Voice of India.
Voice of Punjab.
Okay.
Voice of Punjab was your first?
उससे भी पहले सर, my first ever was पलो पलो रे कीर्तनिया.
अच्छा.
Which is a Sikh Gurbani religion based religious competition.
Okay.
जिसमें आप शब्द गाते हो classical में.
अच्छा.
So that was when I was 15 years old. And then I became, I went to Saregama 2012, top 40, top 40, जैसे तैसे पहुंची. फिर Asia Singing Superstar in 2015. And then the final one, the remix, which I won.
That you won.
Yeah.
कितने साल की जर्नी थी ये?
We can say from 15 when I was 14 years old, तब से लेकर
रीमिक्स जीती कब आप?
तो 15 साल की जर्नी.
15 साल की जर्नी रीमिक्स तक.
Wow.
पहले रियलिटी से लेके तो कभी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगा कि यार मैं सब जगह हार रही हूँ, 40 में आ रही हूँ, 30 में आ रही हूँ, ऊपर तक क्यों नहीं आ रही? कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि नहीं छोड़ देते हम क्या है?
ऐसा लगा कि और सीखना है. ऐसा लगा
और उस दौरान आप सीखते गए.
और ट्राई करना है.
Wow, superb, superb. So I don't call that a struggle. I call that a learning curve because every curve you learn something, and you are living.
जी.
And that's superb. Yeah, fantastic. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I want to add to this. I actually messaged you on Instagram like many years ago.
ये Instagram कोई
Yeah.
नहीं है.
Really?
And I told you I wanted you to meet Vishal Shekhar.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And I think you went and met them or something, but I don't know what transpired.
Them, but Vishal is my friend now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
No.
But I sent you to Shekhar like many years ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You were that.
I was that person. I did.
You're that person?
Thank you very much. So nice to see you.
Yes. I messaged her and I said, listen,
That's a small
somebody
world.
needs to hear your voice. And I know him personally. I just want you to go and meet him.
That's fantastic.
And then
yeah.
उसके बाद I don't know what happened, but
यार मुझे तूने किसी डायरेक्टर के पास, प्रोड्यूसर के पास क्यों मेरा कोई काम अच्छा नहीं लगता तुझे?
बच्ची की तरह.
ये अच्छा नहीं है. Anyway, इनके बारे में बात करते हैं. But also you've done a lot of things.
Yeah.
And you're now, we were talking last week, couple of weeks back, and you said you're on the threshold of something new. We're going to talk about that.
Yes.
But how did you get into whatever you got into? I mean, you're in the corporate business before. What was your background? Because not many people...
Hospitality events. I'm a graphic designer by profession.
Right.
Wow. From graphics and advertising, my teacher realized that I was shit at designing and great at organizing stuff.
Okay.
And pulling things together. So I started doing shows. I used to curate shows from India and take them to South Africa.
Oh.
And I started doing that round for a little while. Then I got into hospitality.
मजा आता. तू गाना गाती, मैं वहाँ पे कुछ करता.
Hello?
South Africa.
Video.
Reels बनाता मैं.
So I used to take Bollywood shows to South Africa. And then
That's how you started basically in terms
Yeah.
of the
entertainment business. And then I came back and then I opened restaurants in Australia because my brother lived there.
Wow.
And then I got into that segment of hospitality.
Okay.
And then I started having kids. एक के बाद एक के बाद
आपने तो कई 2 3 4 इन्होंने
चार
कर दिए, 4 बच्चे.
4 बच्चे.
Back to back. हर दूसरे साल में देखता था कि ये थोड़े 3-4 महीने के लिए गायब हो गई है. फिर पता चलता था कि एक और बच्चा आ गया. एक और फिर मुंबई मम्मी. That's how
Mumbai Mummy.
So what is this thing about entrepreneurship and motherhood and wellness? Where did this thought of Mumbai Mummy come into being?
So the thing is, I always constantly see people putting like motherhood out there and saying that, okay, this is what you do with your child and this is how you should feed them and all of that. For me, it was basically how do you have fun with them? And I just started making fun content and reels. And that's how like my journey began over there. But where my fitness and health comes in, after my third child, I had a very bad bout of spondylitis and my entire right hand was as good as paralyzed.
Oh.
I couldn't lift my child for about 6 months almost. I was not allowed to lift her. So I always constantly had help who was helping me around, pick her up. And I had to go in for a surgery, for a disc replacement surgery. And I realized
or your
I had
spine. Oh,
here. It's from here
gosh.
back here. And that's where I realized how important fitness was. Because I was lean, but everyone used to say कि तू पतली है, gym क्यों जाना? That mindset, right, was there.
I'm so glad you're talking about this because this is exactly what we need to tell the audiences that it's not how you look.
Yeah.
It's how you're from the inside. and the
Inside,
muscles
exactly.
and
So I looked fine, but I was internally not physically fit. And that's how after the surgery, my doctor said that you're not allowed to do weight training. And
Not allowed to do it.
not allowed to do.
That's again.
And you see my videos now.
Yeah, of course.
So
yeah.
6 months.
Oh, I
post-
do. I
Yes.
do.
So yes, we're both inspiring each other. So
No, but that's amazing. There's so many of these myths that we've been trying to kind of address on this show. A lot of women, even today,
yeah,
even in places like Bombay, Delhi, think that if they go to the gym, they'll develop muscles. I said,
Yeah, no.
इतना ही आसान होता
no.
तो फिर क्या बात होती? And they don't understand that strength training after a certain age is very
important.
to your
Very important.
moving forward in
Not-
a healthy
yeah.
way. So is this the reason you thought of starting Mumbai Mummy, or had you already started Mumbai?
No, so actually during Mumbai Mummy, it was, I had gone through like 4 miscarriages before.
Oh, you
having,
she's already
like-
answering all my questions from the phone only. Wow.
Sorry.
4.
Yeah, I've had 9 pregnancies. I've had 5 miscarriages, and I've been trolled as well a lot.
Why is that?
I mean, like people are like, you don't have protection, you don't use, like it's just like
that
you know,
random
faceless
yeah. rants.
yeah, you know,
Bhai,
like
meri marzi
why
mein
are you,
kitne
yeah,
bachche
so
maine
why are you populating? Correct.
जी मतलब it's like
हाँ.
a gift. ही ऐसे आपको
You
random
know, I've
आते
seen
हैं.
this, that, you know, it's amazing that she went through what she went through and she still wanted to have children. So there are lots of women who don't want to have children. They also get trolled. But anyway, more power to you, because you came out of all of that and you reached where you reached, and you know.
Let's go.
Amazing.
Yay, baby.
Rashmi,
हाँ जी.
since you are not a mummy, you're a mummy to music and music is your mummy. और मैंने जब आपकी पहली बार आवाज़ सुनी केप टाउन में, तो मैं मंत्रमुग्ध रह गया. और इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, आपको भी मालूम, मैंने आपको 2-3 बार वो गाना गवाया. आपकी इनिशियल स्ट्रगल वंस यू केम टू बॉम्बे, अभी भी आप फ्लिट करती रहती हैं बॉम्बे दिल्ली, या अभी
No,
base यहाँ पे?
I'm in Bombay for the last 8.5 years now. And 8.5.
What were your challenges when you came to Bombay? You know, like एक होता है कि यार ये कर रहा हूँ वो कर रहा हूँ, it's not working out. कभी ऐसा कोई challenge रहा बॉम्बे में आने के बाद? And what is that milestone song that propelled you to the next level where you are today?
Challenges तो कभी जिंदगी में खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
क्योंकि हर दिन एक चैलेंज.
जी जी बिल्कुल
हर
बिल्कुल
दिन
सही.
आप इंस्टाग्राम खोलो तो एक चैलेंज मिल जाता है.
उसको बोलो
अब
इंस्टाग्राम
अब इसके साथ कैसे डील करें? Oh my God, ये क्या हो गया? So you know, like life is full of challenges, and an artist's job is to ride those challenges. And I've been riding, and I think God is the greatest, and I believe in that. And music एक सबसे बड़ा जरिया बन गया जिसने वो सरवाइव करने में मुझे हेल्प किया. तो पहले जब मैं आई, आपको पता है बॉम्बे में घर बहुत छोटे होते हैं,
बहुत.
तो मैं जब आई तो वहाँ पर भगवान की दया से मुझे मिल गई एक लड़की फाइनली, क्योंकि मेरा कोई भी यहाँ पर रिश्तेदार नहीं था. आई हैड नोबडी इन बॉम्बे. बट एक जज्बा था
जी.
तो जज्बा आपको बहुत कुछ करा देता है जिंदगी में, वही कराता है सब. तो मैं जब पहुंची तो एक लड़की मुझे मिली, एंड देन उसने बोला कि माय मॉम एंड सिस्टर विल आल्सो लिव. तो वो छोटे से क्यूबिकल में में 4 लड़कियां रह रही हैं.
अच्छा.
अब मैं आई हूँ दिल्ली से, चलो लकीली मेरा एक बैंड था दिल्ली में जिस टाइम पे मैं आई मूव्ड टू बॉम्बे, एंड आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ बैक एंड फोर्थ टू परफॉर्म सो दैट आई कैन अर्न एंड देन सर्वाइव एंड देन पे द रेंट्स एंड बिल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. जी, ऑफ द क्यूबिकल. तो फिर और आंटी भी दिल्ली की थी, तो अच्छा खाना, छोले भटूरे समोसे, तो मैंने चलो सेट है, मामला सेट है. बट देन विद टाइम आई रियलाइज कि मैंने जो अपना माइक और सेटअप और सब कुछ पैक करके लाई हूँ वो मैं खोल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग हैं, जगह ही नहीं है. तो मैं कहाँ पे अपना सेटअप करूँ? और वो मेरा मकसद है असली यहाँ पे आने का. कब तक मैं लोगों को चेस करती रहूंगी? आप क्या करोगे? उस टाइम पे दैट एरा वाज प्लेबैक एरा. नाउ इट्स सोशल मीडिया एरा. करेक्ट. नाउ नोबडी नीड्स प्लेबैक. नाउ इफ यू आर देयर देन पीपल विल जस्ट कॉल यू, एंड इफ दे नीड यू दे कैन जस्ट चेक योर प्रोफाइल. बट दैट टाइम प्लेबैक वाज इन माय माइंड कि क्या करना है. तो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स को फॉलो अप करो, ये पूछो, बहुत सारे लोगों से मैं मिली, तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. काम अब जाके मिल रहा है.
तब नहीं, जब चक्कर काटे तब नहीं मिला.
तब नहीं मिला, तब बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिला, क्योंकि चक्कर पे चक्कर होता रहता है. एंड क्योंकि एवरीबॉडी इज सो बिजी, यू कांट रियली ब्लेम पीपल.
Yeah, there's nobody to blame, really.
जी, there's nobody to blame. So I'm not blaming anybody, but अच्छी बात ये है कि मेरा काम चल रहा था, and I could pay my bills, and I could survive. वो 8 महीने जैसे तैसे
सर्वाइवल वाली स्ट्रगल नहीं थी.
जी, उस 8 महीने जैसे तैसे गुजारे, और फिर एक 1 रूम किचन लिया गोरेगांव में अपने आप.
क्या
तो पहली सीलिंग आई
मुबारक.
और वहां से मेरी शुरुआत हुई.
वो माइलस्टोन,
वो पता, वो that was the first milestone when I realized that I can compose.
अच्छा.
I'm not just.
Now you got your space, you set up everything, and you started.
And now whenever I do my riyaz every day, I practice. I realized I was a sucker for poetries. So Bulle Shah पढ़ लिया, Shah Hussain पढ़ लिया. All these poetries I used to research on Google and see कि क्या है नया.
Compose on those.
And compose. तो वो अपने आप होता है ना, एक बन जाता है आमद. तो वो आनी शुरू हुई. And then I realized that I can compose. So when I can compose, I don't have to chase people. Now I can do everything on my own.
Yeah,
so let's just find people who can do the rest of the work, who can produce for me or play guitar for me in those songs.
Collaborate.
तो collaborate. तो collaboration का सिलसिला वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, फिर साथ में remix आ गया. The remix on Amazon.
The remix is after you moved in.
After I moved in, got my own space.
And then you won that.
And then I won that, and then उसकी भी एक अलग जर्नी रही. वो भी जैसे तैसे पहुंची. पहले मैं शो में नहीं थी, फिर मैं आ गई.
तब तक आपका कोई बड़ा गाना नहीं आया?
तब तक मेरा कोई बड़ा गाना नहीं आया था. तब तक मेरी एक EP आ चुकी थी, मुसाफिर.
Okay.
और मेरा एक गाना आया था, सबसे पहला गाना माटी की गुड़िया, जो मैंने बनाया था चाइल्ड मैरिजेस पे.
Okay.
चाइल्ड मैरिजेस इन इंडिया. तो उस पे उससे इंस्पायर किया.
कभी स्ट्रेस नहीं हुआ कि यार ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, कहाँ जाओगे?
सोचा ही
कभी सोचा ही नहीं. जब सोचा ही नहीं तो
कभी वैसा सोचा नहीं. उसकी भी मैं आपको एक कहानी बताऊंगी. तो जब मैं वापस आती थी बॉम्बे से घर दिल्ली, तो मेरी मम्मी मेरी तरफ देख के बोलती हैं कि बेटा अब 3 साल हो गए. मेरी तरफ देख के बोलती हैं, स्माइल कर रही है. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? कभी ना घबराना नहीं है कि अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो घर है.
ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है ना, हमारे जो इंडिया में जो फैमिली सपोर्ट है. अमेरिका में मैं देखता हूँ जैसे ही आप 18 साल के होते हैं तो आपके माँ बाप आपको भगा देते हैं. उनकी फिलोसफी है कि आप खुद उखाड़ लो जो उखाड़ना है. यहाँ तो जब तक मम्मी है, बड़ा भाई है, ऐसा लगता है कि भैया मैं तो कुछ भी कर लूँ. ये तो है ही है. फिक्स डिपॉजिट सपोर्ट तो है ही. आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा माइलस्टोन है जो आपको याद है अभी तक का, कि जिसने आपको एक पायदान से दूसरे तक पहुंचाया?
I feel more, for me, it was my spiritual journey more than anything, and converting my entire, not only, पहले मैं physically workout करती थी, अभी intentionally workout करती हूँ, because I know how important it is for your mental well-being as well.
Of course, it's very important.
After having 4 kids, I went through this entire dark space in my life where I went into depression, and I literally thought about ending my life, like after 4 children. And it was
Is that
so
the time
hard.
you disappeared from everywhere?
I
and
did,
went
yes.
underground?
Yes, I went
So there was a
underground.
time when Sanab, you'd meet very often and
Yeah.
you see she's very vibrant on Instagram. And suddenly, when a friend of yours just suddenly disappears and you don't see her anywhere.
Yeah.
And somebody like her, you would see her everywhere.
It was a phase of 6-8 months where I just spiraled downwards, and I couldn't come out of it. I didn't know how to do it. And I was like, I spoke to my mom and I spoke to my husband and I said, listen, there's something wrong with me. I don't know what it is. And I need to snap out of it. Like, I need to come out of it. Right. It was probably postpartum and everything put together and a lot of things happening. Some cheeze saath mein ho rahi thi. And I think I went to therapy. And that time, like, going
you did
to a
seek
therapist,
professional help?
I
That was
did.
going to be a question. Yeah,
Yes.
because that's very important. People shy
I did.
away from that in India. I don't know why.
And it was like, back then it was like taboo. Like, is it okay to go to a therapist? People think that, okay, only if you're crazy, you go to a therapist or something. But I knew I needed help and I sought out professional help and I started my journey. And one by one, first I went, then I started working out, and then like I started yoga and pranayam.
तो ये 6-8 महीने तक आप मतलब ऑलमोस्ट घर से निकलती नहीं थी?
नहीं, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती थी.
सपोर्ट कैसा था हस्बैंड का, माँ
Amazing,
का, फैमिली का?
amazing. Like,
He's a-
it
I
was-
know
it
him.
only-
He's
yeah,
a
I think
huge
That's what
support.
made her come out.
Oh, husband's a rock star.
Yeah,
Rock star.
he's a complete rock star, yeah.
And then you kind of came out here. And do you see any remnants of that phase, or you're completely out of it?
No, now I resonate with people who are in that phase. And now I'm also studying to be a counselor.
Oh, nice.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So that's your next step.
Yes, because I want to work with kids. And nobody in childhood teaches you how to handle a heartbreak. Nobody teaches you how to handle bullies. Kids come back from school, they say, मम्मी मेरे साथ ऐसे हो गया. हाँ बेटा ठीक है ना, नॉर्मल होते रहता है. लेकिन यही चीज़ें हैं जो आपकी वैल्यूज, बिलीव्स, मेंटल हेल्थ, अवेयरनेस, हर चीज़ को चेंज करती है. So if we can give them tools and techniques how to handle certain situations of handling yourself and emotions and getting awareness towards them, you can handle adulthood much better.
Really?
Why wait for adulthood to heal the inner child?
Again, I'll have to say more power to you. I hope that you can do this, because there is definite need. And especially in today's stressful world, the kids are feeling a lot of stress. यार हमारे बचपन तो बड़े अच्छे से गुजर गए थे.
क्योंकि Instagram नहीं था.
Yeah.
Instagram नहीं था.
Instagram, social
Competition
media,
इतना
so
नहीं था
much.
कि ये मेरे से better दिखती है. मैं
People open the thing and then they're like, the moment they open it, they start comparing themselves.
Yeah.
Of course.
And that is the biggest.
And can I tell you a really terrible statistic? If you ask anybody, most of the people who are on social media, the first thing they do in the morning is open their phone and open Instagram.
Instagram.
100%.
I was like, why Instagram? Why not something else?
Yes.
Why not just shorts, or to see the news or something else?
Yeah.
Or to read your email?
Yeah.
First thing they do is pick up the phone and open Instagram, which
yeah.
is
it just becomes the muscle memory. Muscle memory
By default.
people just by default.
I feel like they should change all the social apps and put it into something else and start
तो
with.
होता नहीं है ये देखो हमारे टाइम में भी कोई ना
That's
कोई
what
ऐसी
I
चीजें
did.
होती होंगी जो
Yeah.
लोगों ने सोचा होगा detrimental है लेकिन वो होता नहीं है. You have to move with the times and learn how to do everything in moderation.
and limit yourself.
Yeah, limit it. You have to do it to
I put a
yourself.
limit around my Instagram.
I completely
I don't use it though. It's a big part of my.
Yeah, and I've seen that you're not very, very active and you put out your work stuff and sometimes fun stuff and your tour stuff.
G.
Correct.
But I am active.
Yeah.
But
It's a necessary evil also.
उतना ही जितना दिमाग को affect ना कर. Because it's very important to protect this.
Yeah.
You know, and people don't realize it.
No.
They just get into this trap of
scrolling.
I must admit, I have fallen into the trap and I had a shoulder injury. For 3 months, I was just watching content on television, and so I would get tired of watching something, then I'd scroll and I'll be on Instagram. And then I used to wonder, अब मैं डालूं क्या? कुछ है ही नहीं, मैं कहीं जा ही नहीं रहा हूँ तो डालूंगा क्या?
But I want to ask you something on that.
Please ask me.
I know when you went through that injury, I felt like you went into like a downer. And I saw it because we used to communicate during that time.
Right.
And you kept mentioning about coming back, and then you spoke about Vipassana and you spoke. We had a lot of conversation on this.
So, I felt that it was limiting me, and she's seen me very badly injured.
Yeah.
And I still did 3 stunts after that, after I tore my hamstring. I tore my hamstring. First, so these guys didn't believe it.
Yeah.
Because some of our friends who are from television thought that it's a game. And I don't blame them, because that's how they've come up. They've come up in this world where everything seems to be done for a result.
Everything is pretentious.
Yeah, कि नहीं ये तो रोहित सर तो इसलिए कर रहे ताकि उन्हें ये ना करना पड़े वो ना. Of course, they felt very bad after that.
आपकी हालत बहुत खराब.
I was sitting on one bomb like that.
आपने उसके बाद वो stunts किए भी क्यों? That was like I think a wrong decision to do it because that for क्यों?
Because that time they didn't know it's a tear. They thought it's a strain because there was no wound outside. I don't know whether it got me down, but it limited me from doing a lot of things I do, and I'm very active.
Yeah.
And so then Vipassana really helped me in that because it calms you down completely. It calms you down, and people think it's a old people thing to do. It's the reverse. You should do it when you're 20s.
I just came back from one. I was at Isha Foundation for 4 days right now.
That's amazing.
And
So I tell everybody who's in their 20s that this is the time when you're completely stressed out.
yeah.
क्या रिजल्ट आने वाला है, कौन से नौकरी मिलेगी, क्या होगा, प्रमोशन कब मिलेगा, क्या है. This is the time when you need Vipassana. हमारा तो जो करना था हो गया. अभी तो मेरे को इंजरी के लिए Vipassana थोड़ी दूंगा. मैं Vipassana जाता हूँ because I feel this thing. Anyway, coming back to you. तो सिंगर है तो अपने गले का टेक केयर नहीं करती है, कभी भी चिल्ला देती है, कभी भी. What do you do? What fitness routine do you do to just take care of your vocal cords?
I don't eat achar.
You don't eat achar.
I don't.
Yeah, I was going to say
Like
what are your
at all?
At all. Like I love achar. Who doesn't love?
Who doesn't? Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
that's
but
for
I
Indian food,
have-
it's like
Yeah. See, I have put like a thing that मैं खाऊंगी ही नहीं. It's a restriction for me.
okay,
क्योंकि I don't want to take that chance.
right.
क्योंकि वो खट्टा होता है.
हाँ.
And खट्टा can do anything.
Yeah.
And then I don't drink cold
water, never.
water.
कभी कभार
I mean,
मूड.
Rarely. Like I don't remember the last time.
Oh.
So but these are the things that I consciously do because these are the things that are very important.
Do you smoke?
No, I can't. I don't want to.
Not only for a singer. I mean, people who think that is very smoke. It's very cool.
से खरज स्ट्रांग होता है आपका. I was like खरज मतलब आपका हाँ
Base.
जो है वो स्ट्रांग होता है. मैंने कहा भाई
करने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
मैंने कहा बेस
स्मोक करने की जरूरत
बेस स्ट्रांग होता है तो अंदर जो सारा जो वीक हो रहा है वो नहीं देख रहे हो.
True.
बेस स्ट्रांग हो रहा है पर अंदर सब खोखला हो रहा है.
Correct.
So I think when my mind and my body is fit, when I also do like a lot of gymnastics and yoga. I have a yoga guru. तो योगा सीखती हूँ मैं because I don't believe in exercising in gym.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
I don't.
I was just going to say that when we were on खतरों के खिलाड़ी, जब ये स्टंट करने जाती थी, तो जितने भी नीचे लोग खड़े हैं ना, उनको एक बात तो पता था कि ये खत्म करके आएगी, जो भी हो.
Wow.
और गाते गाते जय माता दी ये वो जो भी है, बोले सॉरी.
I think I remember seeing this, yeah.
तो but that must take some kind of strength, mental and physical.
That takes a lot of strength, sir. It's not easy to be focused in life. That is the most difficult. And I think one thing that really helped us, all of us, was discipline. That we woke up on time and sat in the bus and then went for that location or whatever.
Oh my God, it
you know,
was
like every day was
Yeah.
it was a regiment, more like a army training. You know, so I think discipline is very important in one's life, in an army
Always.
especially,
Yeah.
or anybody's life.
Yeah.
Once that comes in your life, now
Yeah.
तो everything
वो
falls
अपने
into
आप
place.
आ
But
जाएगा.
were you into fitness before you went to Khatron Ke Khiladi?
100%.
You were, ना? Because your strength तो इतना था.
Yeah, strength था, flexibility थी, वो सब कहाँ से आई? Because
वो
I
मेरी नहीं थी,
I
इसमें तो
believe
चोट
in-
लग गई मेरे को.
I believe
I'm
in
not
yoga.
flexible.
I believe in yoga more than anything. I believe in stretching more than anything.
कितने सालों से कर रही हैं?
5 साल हो गए.
5. Oh.
Yeah. And I believe in stretching more than everything, more than anything. Like gym पे workout करने से ज़्यादा अगर आप stretching नहीं कर रहे हो, तो उस workout का कोई फायदा नहीं.
True.
तो क्योंकि अगर आप stretch ही नहीं करोगे तो फिर वो space कहाँ से मिलेगा मसल?
Exactly.
मसल को space ही नहीं मिलेगा तो कुछ ऐड कैसे होगा?
मैं सिंपली आपको बता दूं कि ये 4 चीज़ें हैं जो स्तंभ मानी जाती हैं. You have to do strength training, you have to do mobility exercises, you have to do stretching. Very, very important. And according to me, you have to do HIIT for your cardiovascular.
100%.
ये 4 चीज़ें कर लो तो बहुत फिट हो जाता है.
बहुत fit हो जाता है आदमी. And I prefer working out in open spaces. So that's why climbing trees and working out with my Guruji, or maybe karate, or maybe like कुछ भी करना, अगर मुझे अनुलोम विलोम भी करना है तो मैं बाहर जाके पार्क में हाँ भी करना. हाँ, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे you're getting
आप बड़ी कहाँ हुई थी? दिल्ली में हुई थी कि किसी?
दिल्ली में.
दिल्ली में.
जी, दिल्ली में ही पढ़ी हूँ. दिल्ली में ही दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की नॉर्थ कैंपस
दिल्ली
की
में से
लड़की
हो?
नॉर्थ कैंपस की लड़की हूँ. और
तो politically बहुत strong views हैं आपके?
पॉलिटिकली पढ़ते ही नहीं.
जितना दूर रहो उतना अच्छा है.
पॉलिटिकल में जाते ही नहीं.
Very good. आप पे आते हैं.
हाँ जी.
आप तो बिल्कुल ही unpolitical हैं. So अब you still have that responsibility of 4 kids.
Yes.
You have an added responsibility of this entrepreneurship that you're planning to do. You have
Yes.
still have Mumbai Mummy, and you're still very active now back on Instagram.
Yes.
How do you balance all that and still keep your mind sane?
Discipline.
Discipline.
Sanity, discipline. A lot of self-work has gone into it. A lot of, I feel like my kids have made me more patient. I've also become more zen, like calmer. They teach
You don't have an option, dude.
Yeah.
With kids, you
No.
have to have zen.
Yeah, you
Trust
know,
me.
the thing is, I see so many moms.
I've lived through a teenage daughter.
Yeah.
And survived.
yeah,
Sorry.
no problem. I know, I'm going through.
Kiara, I'm just sharing. Because he's sharing and also.
Yeah. No, I have a 16-year-old son, and he just like, he's my trigger point, you know, like he just takes me from 0 to 100. And I realize that, okay, this is where I need to work on myself, and this is where I need to bring my sanity back. But with kids, it's so hard because when they tell you, "Ki mama, for example, can I go to the park?" By default, Indian mentality, parents are like, "No." But why can't we go? As in, like, you know, कुछ भी पूछ लिया कि can I do this?
Actually, right.
You know,
डर लग जाए.
हाँ,
पहले ही
नहीं जाना है, you know,
मेरे को
लेकिन
सुबह उठ के
क्यों नहीं
मम्मी से
जाना?
बोलती है,
Yeah.
ध्यान से जाना. I said, हाँ मम्मी, ड्राइवर है. हाँ मम्मी, कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं स्टूडियो में जा रहा हूँ. तो ध्यान रख.
हाँ.
भाई तो मम्मी
Yeah,
है.
हाँ, correct.
और ये तो मुंबई मम्मी.
मम्मी. Oh my God.
हाँ फिर
So you keep like, by default, our response is always a no, and then but why? But why can't I go? But why can't I do this? But if you change your entire perspective and they say कि mama मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, and you say yes, you can do it, you automatically clear that barrier saying कि okay, at least mama's allowing me. But how about you finish your homework and then we go to the park?
So it's just positive
it's-
affirmation
yeah.
and then you tell him what
It's
to
your
do.
way of
Super.
talking. It's like a conscious parenting, which I've been working on. I mean, I had to unlearn a lot of things that, because हमारी कंडीशनिंग ही ऐसी हुई है ना कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो या तो चप्पल.
मेरे तो जिंदगी में 2 मम्मियाँ हैं, एक मम्मी और एक बीवी है, दोनों मना करती हैं हर चीज के.
Double no.
Double no.
No, you mean
No,
not
no.
allowed.
Not life.
No.
Not life.
But why?
So now you're happy in the space that you're in.
Yes, I'm very happy.
So now, you know, when you said, okay, when you went through all this, the idea of this show primarily is to tell the youngsters, there are lots of people who are going through this time,
Yes.
and you went to a professional. Anything that you want to tell them, that how do you deal with this? And how do you recognize that you're going through anxiety or panic attacks? How do you come to know?
I think the first thing to see is your breath. Like anytime you have a situation, the moment you get angry, your breath changes. You get happy about something, your breath changes. Internally focusing on your breath.
पर मैं
And
बहुत
just
जल्दी गुस्सा
consider-
भी हो जाता हूँ.
हाँ, तो आप फोकस करो. अगली बार जब होता है तो just internalize and focus where your anger is coming from and change your breathing. They tell you, no, just take 3 deep breaths. There is a reason.
That changes a lot.
It just changes.
That's one thing. What else? How do they? So you recognize your panic or anxiety issues by seeing yourself. in the
Yes,
mirror.
seeing yourself.
What's the
internally.
first step that you take? Do you go and discuss it with somebody? Supposing you're living with your parents, do you speak to your parents first?
No, I normally it's a self-talk, right? Like the quickest thing to do without approaching anyone is have self-talk with yourself. Where is your belief coming from? Where is
So
your
once
value?
you speak to yourself, you know, किसी से तो बात करना पड़ेगा ना. अगर अंदर रखोगे तो और पागलपन हो जाएगी. क्योंकि अगर मैं कुछ बोलूंगा नहीं, like I have a problem, like most men have a problem, they will not discuss their problems with anybody.
Correct.
You see? So, but if you're going through anxiety, don't you need to share it with people who will hopefully support you? And
It really depends on like who
Person
is
to person.
close. Yeah, person to person. Who is close to them? Some people, like you said, don't like discussing it with anyone. You know,
but
they
what
don't
should
want.
you do? What is the right thing to do? Is what we want to tell people.
My right thing to do is have that self-talk and understand where that anxiety and panic is coming from. Because behind everything that you feel, there is an emotion. Where is that emotion coming from, and where in your body are you storing that emotion? That is the most important. Like every time we say, कि I was hurt by the situation. I couldn't say something back. When we say we're hurt, by default, हर इंसान बोलता है कि it's in my chest, I have pain in my chest. But a lot of times if you close your eyes and internalize, you'll be like, no, it's in my stomach or it's in my throat, because I was
have to
unable.
identify it
Where you are storing the pain in your body. That in turn turns into dis-ease. That's why it's called a disease, because that pain in turn manifests into
I didn't
something.
know that.
Yes.
You've gone through anything like that which has been mentally taxing to you?
So many things.
Really? Would you like to talk about it?
And I have always been alone. So when you said that, you think, you talk to yourself. But I think you saying this, if I'm not wrong, you're saying this because you've overcome
Certain issues.
a lot of issues with time that led you and that brought you here now.
Correct.
Now that you can talk about it confidently, that, you have to talk to yourself first. But I think every person has their own way
Of dealing with
Yeah,
it.
that's
True,
what I
this
wanted to
situation, like how you said, इतने में तो कोई लोग तो हंगामा ही कर देते हैं उतने में तो उनको एंजाइटी समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या हो रहा है, तो
समझ में
वो
नहीं
कुछ
आता।
action ले लेते हैं, कुछ तोड़ देते हैं, कुछ कर देते हैं.
True.
So everybody has their own way of dealing with stuff, and they themselves have to figure out what's working for them, what's going to work for them. तो हो सकता है कि 50 बार चीजें टूटे, ये शायद हमको 51 बार समझ में आए कि भाई
अब ये
करने से
करना
कुछ
है.
नहीं हो रहा है, तो शायद मुझे खुद से 2 मिनट रुक जाए, शायद 3 मिनट में बोल देता हूँ 1 2 3, तोड़ता नहीं हूँ कुछ,
चला जाएगा.
तो शायद कुछ और थॉट आ जाए. सो आई थिंक यू हैव टू
Externalize
experience.
to internalize.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You have to.
मेरा थोड़ा सा इसमें
Hard type.
हाँ, मैं मतलब I don't completely agree or disagree with both of you. I've spoken to a lot of people who say the first thing you should really do when you feel that is go to somebody who you really love and who really, really loves you, because not many people will understand what you're going through.
True.
So it's very important you go to somebody who understands you. If I randomly go to somebody and try and share के यार ऐसा हो रहा है, तो they'll say कि हाँ ठीक है यार पानी पी ले. Most of your friends who are well-meaning also, but they won't understand. So go to somebody who's empathetic towards you.
True.
Speak to them. Say, this is what I'm feeling. What is... So they might not have advice for you,
Yeah.
but they will have support for you.
But
तो,
at least
और तुम अकेले थे तो और भी...
मैं अकेली थी सर. मैंने काफी चीजें पैंडेमिक में भी देखी, because I couldn't go back home.
Correct.
And I got stuck here for 5 months. My mom and dad are in Delhi, and there were no flights.
Nothing to do, and how do you survive?
So
You were singing all the time.
and I was singing all the time.
मैं देख रही थी
That's
रोज.
when I found that that's when I became more disciplined. And during that point of time, I was going through a very bad breakup. And but I don't know. I think music is my biggest healer.
So I was going to say, so what is your strength? How do you...
My
overcome
strength is
this?
music. My strength is music. अगर कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो जाओ रियाज करने लग जाओ. कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो इनको सुन लो. इतनी power है इसमें. You know that.
Correct, of
You
course.
yourself
It's
is a
amazing.
biggest pujari of music.
I love music.
I think
it's very cathartic to me.
Music takes you through
Everything. Every emotion.
Every emotion.
Yeah.
I don't know why people who already are sad, ये मैंने अभी recently discover किया,
कि और sad music.
वो
सुन.
sad music सुनते हैं.
मैं ऐसी हूँ.
हाँ, सब लोग यही करते हैं. अगर आप ध्यान दो इस बात पे.
हाँ.
Who is already sad.
They want to
मतलब आज
listen
मेरा
to-
ब्रेकअप हुआ है. हाँ. sad songs सुन रहे हैं. You want to be in that emotion. You still want to be in that emotion.
Yeah.
You're already sad.
You have made me see the mirror. अगर आपने मेरा Instagram देखा है तो मैं तो खाली रोमांटिक गाने गाता हूँ. आज मुझे समझ में आया क्यों.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि आपके अंदर
बीवी पूछेगी अभी, हाँ? Why are you?
I sang this for you, remember? Oh my god.
I'm witnessing. I'm going to witness
Yeah.
before you go.
Yeah. So I think
her strength is
Music.
Music.
music and talking to myself, I think
Solitude.
solitude helped me a lot, like made me very strong.
That's a completely different take from people I've spoken to when they say that solitude scares me the most.
Yeah, exactly. So I think with time,
So everybody is different.
everybody is different. Everybody तभी तो आपको जाना पड़ता है ना हेल्प भी लेने के लिए, क्योंकि सबकी कंडीशनिंग, सबकी सिचुएशन, सबका दिमाग अलग है,
उनको डील करने के
तरीके भी अलग होते
तो इसलिए कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दिस वन साइज फिट्स ऑल. You should see what you. So since you are always about Mumbai Mummy and you're a mom to 4 people of various age groups.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of stress in new mothers because they're handling their work.
Yes.
Which you are.
Yes.
They have careers.
Yes.
Fortunately or unfortunately for us, in the Indian context, mothers are still the caregivers.
Yeah.
So you have a 24-hour job.
Correct.
Then you have a 8-hour job, and then you have a constant job with your kids. What is the advice you give young mothers to keep that peace and balance in their mind and their house?
To love themselves first, because they don't give time. Like I speak
How
to
do you
so
say?
many.
I want you to also make
Yeah.
it very lucid. कभी-कभी आप जो किताबी बातें करते हैं ना, किताबी
बातें नहीं है ये बिल्कुल.
When you say love yourself, कैसे? Tell us how.
By just giving an hour to yourself. कि मैं सब कुछ, like when your baby naps, you have time to go for yourself, do gym, do a basic workout.
So don't
go for
feel
a
guilty
walk.
about
Don't.
doing stuff
That
for
you know
yourself.
the thing is that attachment detachment जो होता है ना, माँ कर नहीं पाती है because they're so obsessed and I
आपने भी नहीं किया
understand.
होगा?
मैंने first baby में मैंने छोड़ा ही नहीं था. 6 months I didn't. I refused to keep help. I refused for anyone to touch my child. I didn't even want. Yeah, I didn't even want a malish wali to come home because I was like, nay, he will get attached to someone, you know. That was my fear. But if you're the
Since
mother,
you've lived through it, you want to tell people.
I want to tell people that don't have that fear or judgment, you know. And the thing is, they feel कि ये खाना पड़ता है, ये करना पड़ता है. नहीं, you do it to your capacity. And you don't have to eat for 2. You have to eat for 1.1. Like literally, if you're eating
Take care
like,
of, because postpartum
yeah,
also, all that leads
you know,
to
it
excess
just,
weight.
yeah, exactly. And just doing that. And I know because I put on 36 kilos in my first pregnancy. I was 90, like I was massive, you know? Yeah. And I was like, and I started
तू तो
eating
कभी
more.
वैसे बनेगी नहीं.
मुझे बनना है.
बनना है क्या नहीं बनना है, मैसिव या माँ?
I just want to be fit. आप माँ की बात कर रहे हो, मेरे को बच्चे अडॉप्ट करने हैं. I want to.
I'm so with you.
हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन हो चुकी है ये, लेकिन आपको शायद याद नहीं होगा.
I want to have
We want to adopt.
at least 20 kids.
20 kids.
I would the dialogue जो मैंने इनको बोला, मैं अब आपको बोल रहा हूँ, more power to you. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप ये कर पाए, क्योंकि ये
और मुझे एनिमल्स के लिए भी बहुत करना है because I'm a very big animal lover.
Now, the one thing we have to also talk about. So we've spoken about mental health, we've spoken about physical health, fitness, nutrition. It plays a huge part in anybody's life.
Yeah.
I want, in a couple of lines, starting with you, Rashmeet, what is your nutrition mantra? You know, you're fit as hell. You're strong, which I saw on that stunt where you're strong. Do you know how much protein should go into your body, how much carbohydrate? Or do you think that it's come from experience that this suits me, this much is happy for me? What is your...
I don't keep a check on
Okay.
the percentage and on the कि क्या मेरी बॉडी में जा रहा है.
जी जी.
क्या जा रहा है उस पे मैं चेक रखती हूँ. सॉरी.
पर कितना जा रहा है उतना
जा रहा है क्योंकि see again my metabolism is very different.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's
I
very
can
good.
see that.
And because I work out and I
You're almost 23 now. So at 23, if you look 21, okay, sorry, 21. At 21, if you look like this. हे भगवान, क्या होगा निम्मू का?
सुनो यार.
हाँ.
तो फिर मैं कहाँ थी?
कहा दे तो परसेंटेज नहीं कैलकुलेट करते हैं, बट क्या खा रहे हैं आपको मालूम है. ऐसा नहीं कि समोसा खा लिया, जलेबी खा ली.
हैं समोसा क्यों बोल दिया?
Oh God, मंगा के दे.
But 21, I'm still trying to I'm still stuck there.
No.
फिर
You just like, yeah, I was like, okay.
It's 20. जितनी बार पूछोगे उतनी बार कम होता
कम
है.
होता रहेगा.
ठीक है, तो मैं आपकी
मेरा
माँ
तो
बन
कुछ नहीं
सकती हूँ फिर. मैं डबल हूँ आपकी.
यार आप नहीं लगते हो यार, आप इंस्पिरेशन हो. तो मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि विद टाइम आई रियलाइज कि पेट जो है वो कचरे का डब्बा नहीं.
करेक्ट.
True.
ये तो सबसे पहले.
ये मुझे टाइम के मुझे 4 दिन पहले रियलाइज हुआ जब मैंने चाय के बाद कॉफ़ी के बाद सीधा चाय पी, क्योंकि मीटिंग थी तो फिर कॉफी पी तो फिर बात करते
acidity हो
तो
गई।
इतनी गड़बड़ हो गई कि डायरिया हो गई
अरे बाप
कि वो एक दिन में मुझे दिखा दिए, मतलब दर्शन हो गए मुझे।
तो आप ध्यान से खाते हैं, आप गिनते नहीं है लेकिन ध्यान से खाते हैं
अब
कि ये
मैं सोच के खाती हूँ कि भाई अगर मैं खा रही हूँ और मैं सोने जा रही हूँ तो उसमें गैप होना चाहिए, इट हैज़ टू बी यू नो। और मैं डेफिनेटली वज्रासन में बैठती हूँ सोने से पहले।
आई एम सो जेलस बिकॉज़ मेरा नी प्रॉब्लम है, तो अभी मैं वज्रासन में नहीं बैठ
तो आप बटरफ्लाई कर लो,
कर रहा हूँ, सब कर रहा हूँ, करता हूँ ना, फ्रॉग वॉक बटरफ्लाई सब कर रहा हूँ।
ऑल्टरनेट है, बट योगा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई फील छोटी छोटी अमाउंट में भी आप करते
कलर्स
रहो।
इंफिनिटी को समझा दूं आपकी बात, इट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्शियस ईटिंग।
यार चलो मत यार, कम ऑन यार।
इनके ध्यान से खाएंगे, इट्स कॉल्ड कॉन्शियस ईटिंग। व्हाट इज योर फूड दिस थिंग?
I like she said like there's no fixed के क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना है, but हर चीज में like you know you have like I have good days, bad days, treat days, cheat days. You
Correct,
know?
correct. That's very important. That
Yeah.
I ask everybody.
Yeah, when
चलो
you
इसी
have
बात पे
that.
पूछ लेते हैं. What's your favorite cheat meal?
I have a couple.
हाँ बोल दो ना. यहाँ कोई मार्क नहीं करते.
Biryani,
बिरयानी.
a burger with Coke.
हाँ, so basically burger and coke is your cheat meal. Biryani
Yeah.
is not a cheat meal.
Yeah.
No, yeah,
It's the
biryani.
best
Okay,
meal to have.
but not
It's
like
got meat,
not
veggies.
half kg, na? Like not like
वो quantity आप पर उससे that's not a cheat meal. क्या cheat meal?
रहने दो,
मैंने बोली दे.
बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है।
एक बोल दे जो top of the list.
and Bounty
McDonald's.
chocolate. yes, McDonald's.
जिंदगी में-
McDonald's वाला burger
जिंदगी
with Coke.
सॉरी,
just
आई एम सो
recommend
सॉरी,
very strongly
दिस इज अ
let's stop doing
डिफरेंट
it.
पॉडकास्ट, डिफरेंट इंटरव्यू, बट जब जिंदगी में कुछ समझ में नहीं आता ना
तो एक
McDonald's खा लेने का।
ठीक है,
19
that's
मिनट में
your
आ जाता है.
sole thing कि it feels happy.
Yeah.
इसमें कुछ नहीं
नहीं,
होता.
और अगर मैं जब दिल्ली जाती हूँ
हाँ.
तो छोले
बोलो ना.
भटूरे खाए।
अच्छा, छोले भटूरे,
छोले
हाँ.
भटूरे तो आपको पता है, मतलब
नहीं वो तो करना पड़ता
I
है.
think
You can't
city
stop
wise
doing it.
cheat meal होता है.
मैं कभी किसी को ये नहीं बोलता हूँ कि आप
City wise cheat meal
365
होता है.
days a year आप ऐसे ही करके खाओ.
नहीं.
यार वैसा तो करना, तो फिर तू जिंदा क्यों है?
दूसरी
Dot
बात
com.
ना, एक बार मैंने आशा भोसले जी ने बोली ये बात कि मैं तो सब खाती हूँ, दही भी, अचार भी, सब, क्योंकि बॉडी को अगर पता नहीं चलेगा तो बॉडी
correct,
बॉडी यूज
absolutely.
टू कैसे होगी,
The cheat meal
जैसे आपने
concept is
बोला
this.
चिल्लाती हो तुम, फिर तुम कभी ऐसे कर देती हो, देन यू नो दैट व्हेन टू स्पीक, व्हाट टू डू,
Right.
हाउ डू यू मैनेज. सो इफ यू एक्सपेरिमेंट देन ओनली यू नो. इफ यू डोंट एक्सपेरिमेंट
You will not know.
you will never know.
You have to
ठीक है, आप
stop your
बीमार
body
पड़ोगे.
in every way.
Every way,
Just
yeah.
workouts or is eating. So बहुत सारी बातें हो गई हैं, लेकिन जाने से पहले रश्मीत जी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है, और ये रिक्वेस्ट मैं इनसे
खत्म हो
कई
गया
बार
है?
कर चुका हूँ. और
Even I want to request.
सो जाने से पहले एक जोर से हमको भी सुनो, ये भी आपकी कायल है, मैं तो हूँ ही.
आपने नया गाना सुना है इश्क न जावे?
जी बिल्कुल सर, कैसे हो सकता
और
है?
आपने मेरी एल्बम सुनी है कौरा?
नहीं.
वो मैं आपको अभी इसके बाद भेजूंगी.
जी बिल्कुल.
लेकिन उसमें 12 गाने हैं
तो क्या हो गया?
और उसमें मैंने 40 आर्टिस्ट के साथ कोलैबोरेट किए.
Wow.
या
Wow.
एंड इट टुक मी 3 years to make.
Wow.
Phenomenal. Well done. एक बार तालियां हो जाए रश्मीत.
Thank you very much. And the whole and sole example, to set an example that you have to work with more and more people in life.
It broadens your horizon.
Artist life is building the community together. You know, कोई भी
I'm so happy to
community,
do that.
कोई भी community हो तो, even in the West, you know, people have been collaborating since ages and decades. वो तो अब यहाँ पे कल्चर आया है बाहर देख देख के, but I feel it's very important to be open minded. आने दो जो आए and then deal करो कि कैसे कैसे करना है क्या. जी, तो मैं आपको कौन सा गाना सुना?
नदियों पार.
पहले नदियों पर सुनाऊं?
पहले नहीं, वही गाना गाएंगे.
बस एक ही गाना है
हाँ.
यार, ये नहीं.
डोंट वरी, आपका टाइम ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन वो गाने के बिना ये एपिसोड खत्म नहीं होगा. और ये सिर्फ मेरे रिक्वेस्ट नहीं है, यहाँ पे जो लोग बैठे हैं मेरे कान में आके बोल के गए इनको, प्लीज ट्राई टू सिंग द सॉन्ग.
तू कोल आजा मेरे ओ बेवफा सैया, या मिलने वास्ते तो मुझको भेज दे नैया. तू कोल आजा मेरे ओ बेवफा सैया, या मिलने वास्ते तो मुझको भेज दे नैया, भेज दे नैया. ओ नदियों पार सजन दा ठाणा, नदियों पार सजन दा ठाणा, कीते कोल जरूरी जाना, कीते कोल जरूरी जाना. दिल ला लिया बेपरवाह दे नाल, दिल ला लिया बेपरवाह दे नाल, दिल ला लिया बेपरवाह दे नाल, दिल ला लिया बेपरवाह दे नाल.
क्या बात है.
God bless your voice.
Thank you.
I love
But
you.
Fantastic,
मैं
madam. हाँ जी बोलिए ना. कुछ क्यों?
नदियों पार सजन दा ठाणा is a very old folk song.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a Bulleh Shah poetry poem. And इसका मतलब है कि ना कर मान रपैये वाला, ओ ना कर मान रुपये वाला बड़ बड़ पैंदा अगे, एक भी रुपए का मान मत करो. You'll get it back in folds.
Wow.
वो बल के आपके आगे आएगा, you know.
एक भी रुपए का
एक भी एक सिक्के एक पैसे का भी तिल का भी अगर आप मान करोगे ना तो वो आपको फोल्ड्स में मिलेगा वापस. कि ना कर मान रुपये वाला बड़ बड़ पैंदा अगे. People don't know, the entire world doesn't know.
Correct.
They just keep
कुछ और ही आते हैं.
ना कर मान रुपये.
Or on this note, I have to say goodbye to my two very, very cute birds. Parul, Rashmeet, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
being on my show. It means a lot. Thank you for taking time out. She's come straight from the Isha Foundation. Thank you very much for taking time out. And I'm going to say that dialogue which I said to her and you in the beginning. More power to you guys with whatever you decide to go. You guys are inspirations, and I hope that people tuning in today will seek inspiration from your stories moving forward as well. Remember, the journey to being unstoppable starts with a single step. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and chase your dreams with an unstoppable spirit. Until next time, this is Rohit Roy signing off. Keep tuning into Unstoppable, powered by the Right Bite Max Protein. Stay healthy.